Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, click on that subscribe button and hit that like button. For 25 plus years, I've been helping clients set up their offshore funds, US hedge funds, and offshore broker-dealers. And these people are traders, managers, and people that have a proven track record in their trading skills. One of the benefits of working with a consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services is that we have an enormous amount of contacts on a global basis, from attorneys to administrators to auditors to prime brokers. A new flagship service that I launched this year was setting up a special purpose vehicle for issuing asset-backed bonds. A US or non-US company who's looking to raise capital sets up a special purpose company in the British Virgin Islands and moves acceptable collateral or assets into that company. They can raise an unlimited amount of capital provided that they're able to pay it back. When it comes to hedge funds, if you're looking to raise US investors capital, then US hedge fund is the way to go. If you feel that you'll have more luck going after non-US investors, then setting up an offshore fund, either in the Cayman or the BVI, is the way to go. When it comes to broker-dealers, I used to be a Series 7 licensed registered rep back in the mid-80s, early 90s, when FINRA was still called the NASD, National Association of Security Dealers. So I started the service to set up an offshore broker-dealer in the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands is a perfect place to set up an offshore broker-dealer catering to non-US clientele. For a Cayman broker-dealer, you can subscribe to what they call a registered person, and a registered person license is simply a broker-dealer light regulatory institution. It's actually called a securities investment business. That means you're limited to only sourcing out high net worth, sophisticated clientele. Basically, people that have at least $1 million or at least have an annual income of over 200 to 300,000 US dollars a year. You're not limited to any country jurisdiction, provided that when you solicit those services to those jurisdictions, you have to be careful on maintaining compliance on the advertising and marketing laws, especially in the European Union and in the UK. So there are certain exemptions that can be relied on, and that's something that you would consult with me on, and we would bring our necessary attorneys into play, which are specialists in those jurisdictions. Hey, if you're new here, you should subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. But if you have never started a hedge fund, I recommend my book, The Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide and The Ultimate Prop Firm Guide. Download it or buy it on Amazon.